Hello YouTube, I'm going to show you how to limit the bandwidth on the specific SSID. So currently I'm using the Aruba Access Point 207. The firmware version is 8.4.0.5. So I have two SSID, one is ITC, one is IT capture. At the moment I'm connecting to ID capture, so let's just set up the rules on the ID capture. Go to configuration. Oh, by the way, before we do anything, let's check the speed test. Okay, so it's around, my current speed is around 30 to 32. That is download speed, and upload speed is around 20. Alright, so let's go back to the Aruba configuration and networks and select the SSID that you want to limit the bandwidth. So I'm going to limit idcapture.com SSID, select that, click pencil, hit next. This SSID I have VLAN specific, VLAN static, VLAN ID. If you want to know about how to set up the VLAN, please watch one of my network video. Next. So in the access rules, at the moment and restricted. Hit down arrow key, choose row base, and select the rows IT capture. That's already been set up when you create the networks SSID. And I have no rules at the moment. Hit plus sign, rule type, select bandwidth contract. So downstream, I'm going to limit 10 megabyte. So 10, here you go. And then upstream may be 10 as well, 10 megabyte. If you want a per user upload or download, if you want to take it, but I don't want it at the moment. I want overall bandwidth to be 10 megabyte download speed and 10 megabyte upload speed. Hit OK and finish. Alright, so now go back to speed test. So as you can see, my download speed is not more than 10 megabyte now. Also, my upload speed is the same, 10 megabyte. I'm on IT capture Wi-Fi. So let's go back to the Aruba configuration. And if you want to change something, the limitation configuration, you don't need to go back to the network setting again. You already assigned to the SSID, so now this time you go to the security and the rows, and then I see the row and select the bandwidth contract. Here you can change to, I'm going to increase 15 megabyte, and upstream maybe I'm going to reduce to 5 megabyte. Okay, and hit OK, save. So now if you go back to the speed test, try one more time. Download speed should be 15 megabyte. There you go. Now download speed is around 12, 13, 15 or more than 15 megabyte. Right, now my upload speed is now reduced to 5 megabyte. This is really good. So what you need to do, if you have multiple SSID, like guest Wi-Fi and your user Wi-Fi, So you can limit to the guest Wi-Fi. So if somebody downloads from the guest Wi-Fi something, then it's not affecting to any other SSID. Thank you for watching that.